The thumb method of casting on creates a firm but stretchy foundation for your knitting. We begin by measuring out a length of yarn and placing a slip knot some distance from the end. To accurately measure where to place the slip knot, start by wrapping the end around the needle the same number of times as the number of stitches required by the pattern. Then add a little to allow for a margin of error. Place the slip knot onto your needle. This is your first stitch. Now loop the long end around your thumb and slide it onto the needle. With the other hand, bring the working yarn, that's the one coming from the ball, around the back and down in between the needle and your thumb. Use your thumb to pass the loop over the needle and then pull the end tight. Let's do that again. Loop the long end around your thumb, slide it onto the needle. With the other hand, bring the working yarn around the back and in between the needle and your thumb, and then use your thumb to put that loop over the needle and pull tight. Loop the yarn around your thumb, place it onto the needle, bring the yarn around the back, in between your thumb and the needle, and then pop that loop over and tighten.